Oh, rainy day play today. They've not been out as much as they normally do, but they were fun. So this is Florence's pups, ready to go. They're 8 weeks old. Hey. Cutie, hello. What you got? They love these yogurt pot lids because they make a noise when they run on the floor. What you got? It's good to have a good long kitchen, isn't it? They can get up a bit of speed. 6 of them just went past.
Oh, they're chasing each other. There's somewhat different.
Off he goes again. Off he goes. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? So we've just got boys left. Chocolate boys. If you want a chocolate boy, give us a ring. They're ready to go. What have you got? What are you chewing? There's 3 of them. They've all got a hold of it.
It's fighting over it.
Go one at the end. What's he got? There's one at the end.